Decree number 100/136 of the 14th of September 2018, appointing a new member of the government of Burundi. Complying with the Constitution of the Republic of Burundi, pursuant to Law number 1/09 of the 17th March 2015, pertaining to the demarcation between political and technical positions, owing regard to Law number 1/08 of 28 April 2011 on the overall organization of public administration, pursuant to Decree number 100/037 of 19 April 2018, revising Decree number 100/29 of 18 September 2015 on structure, organization, and the mission of the government of the Republic of Burundi. The President of the Republic of Burundi decrees. Article number 1. Mr. Frederic Nahima is appointed Minister of Communication and Media. Article 2. Any previous provision contrary to this decree is repealed. Article 3. This decree comes into force on the day of its signature, done at Bujumbura on the 14th of September 2018 by His Excellency Pierre Nkurunziza, President of the Republic of Burundi.